wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com bringing you a review of a Forever Young wig. This is called Roll With It and the color is Sienna. And I have reviewed this wig before and I loved it then and I still love this wig. I think it's very beautiful and for the price it's kind of hard to beat, to be perfectly frank. Now it doesn't have the most high-end or comfortable cap features, but I would wear something like this for this price just because it's cute. Like I totally would, and I have. I actually, when I reviewed the other one, I'm trying to remember what color that was in. Okay, so I reviewed this last time in cappuccino because I ended up keeping it and wearing it forever. And I'm probably gonna end up keeping this one too. I just wear them until the wheels fall off and then I, you know, rinse, repeat. So that's basically, you know, the great thing about these Forever Young wigs. If you beat them up a little bit, who cares? I mean, I would cry if I ruined like a Blake by John Renault or something like that, or one of my Clarys. I would weep, probably real tears, because they cost so much and money matters, you know? But I think that for the price point, it's so hard to beat a wig like this. It's so cute. Let me do a little 360 so I can kind of show you what I mean. So the cap construction on Roll With It, like most Forever Young wigs, is pretty basic. We've got a rubberized, fleshy colored insert in here that gives this a dedicated left hand part. You can't move that at all. And then we also have open wefts on the top covered with some rose lace. We also have felt right here at the front hairline. There's no lace front on this wig. We have open wefts on the side and in the back with a fair amount of hair on this particular wig. We also have a hook enclosure in the back and an extended nape. I have always loved this wig and this color is super pretty. But yeah, this wig has always been one of my favorites. It's so pretty and the price is so delightful. Let me go ahead and put Roll With It back on so that way I can just kind of like ooh and ah myself a little bit more. I've always loved this one. It's so girly looking. Oh, it's so pretty and girly. It's like the perfect perm. Oh. So let's talk some specs. This is a heavy wig. It's got a ton of hair on it. It's 9 ounces. The bang is 5 inches, definitely meant to be swept off to the side, but you could always have a stylist cut it straight across if you like that better. So this has been my review of the beautiful Roll With It wig. Like I said, for the price, it's real hard to beat. In the color Sienna. Both are by Forever Young, both are super pretty. If you want to hear more details about the color, keep an eye open for the color spotlight video about Sienna. And until next time, thanks for watching, check out my wig store, and have a great night. Bye-bye.